So in this video, we're going to learn how to multiply radicals. The rule is you're going to multiply numbers that are inside the radicals with other numbers inside the radicals, and numbers that are outside the radicals with other numbers outside the radicals. You cannot multiply into a radical or outside a radical. The only time a number can go from inside a radical to outside a radical is if it's a perfect square. Let's start with example number 1. We have 1, 2, 3 numbers here. 2 of them are in a radical. So I can multiply these two together. So instead of 4 root 2 times root 6, it's going to be 4 times root 2 times 6 is 12. Before you think you are done with the problem, make sure that this radical is not simplifiable. Are there any perfect squares that go into 12? In this case, yes, 4 goes into 12 3 times. You can reference that list from the Simplifying Radicals video to show the 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, all up to 15 squared, 225, to help you out with this part. So this turns into 4 times 4, square root of 4 root times 4 times root 4 times 3. That splits up into 4 times root 3, which turns into 4 times 2 root 3, because the square root of 4 is 2, and that leaves you with 8 root 3. 3 has no more perfect squares inside of it, so we're going to stop there. Example number 2, zoom in here a little bit. Number 2, we have 2 numbers on the outside, 5 and 6, and then 2 numbers on the inside of the radical, 2 and 3. You can multiply 5 and 6 together, and then square root 2 times square root 3. Bring those together. So 5 times 6 is 30. And then square root of 2 times square root of 3 is square root of 6. So 30 root 6. 6 is hiding no perfect squares. 4 doesn't go into it, and that's the only one less than 6. So at this moment, you are done multiplying the radicals together. Double check to make sure when you're done, when you think you're done, look inside the radical for the number to see if there's any hidden perfect squares. If there are, simplify. If there aren't, stop, and you're done.